What we do in eBay dropshipping is that we systematically take items from other sellers that sell regularly and sell it a little cheaper. That is the easiest process to make money. And how you find dropshippers is that you're looking for this exact same item, but you're looking for people that are selling it for enough money to make a profit. So this item is selling for $18.97. He's selling it for $28.99. So there's a profit margin of $6 on that item, and I would definitely list that item. All right, what's up guys, Marc, Augustine, and in this video, I'm going to answer one of your questions. One of you guys commented on my video, but before I get into that, my name is Marc Augustine. I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011, and my goal with this channel is to help you guys make money online. Justin, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Hi guys, my name is Justin. I started dropshipping a month ago with Marc, and yeah, pretty much it. I live in Miami. I live in Miami. I'm a chef. You can see me in my chef jacket. Hey guys,
And you dropship on eBay part-time, correct?
part-time. Yes, I do.
Okay, sweet. So let me share my screen. So I did a video a couple of days ago called list eBay dropshipping items that will sell. And if you look on my YouTube channel, the thumbnail says zero cost eBay. On that video, KE Jarris 949 asks, yes, I need to know about sellers list and how you know if another poster or seller is a dropshipper. So in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to build a sellers list, which is the basis of any eBay dropshipping business. What we do in eBay dropshipping is that we systematically take items from other sellers that sell regularly and sell it a little cheaper. That is the easiest process to make money. Justin, you understand what I'm saying so far? Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, in order to do this, the free tools you're going to need is Google Sheets, eBay, the free eBay calculator to make sure that you're calculating your profits correctly, and Amazon. So I'll put a link to the eBay calculator in the description, and I'll put a link to other free resources. So when you go to Amazon.com, the first step is to find an item that other people are drop shipping on eBay. So I go to best sellers, and I like to choose a lot of generic stuff. This scale is $13.99 and pretty generic. So I go there. As you notice, I'm not using any software, and I search, I copy the title, and I go to eBay. I did this already, but I'm gonna actually do it so you guys could see. So I search for the full title on eBay. Let me change my location. You want to be in the US. And how you find drop shippers is that you're looking for this exact same item, but you're looking for people that are selling it for enough money to make a profit. Now, why you want to use the eBay calculator is that we know that the cost of the item is $13.99. If you sell it for $19, there would be a profit of $2.22. So what I'm doing, I'm going to look for all the sellers that are selling the exact same item that are selling it for above $19. Does that make sense, Justin?
Yep.
I also don't want sellers that have limited feedback. So if I scroll down, this guy is selling it for $17.99. I do not want him because the profit margin is not there. This is $13.14. Actually, go to this side and search between $19 and let's say $80. So now I have only the results that are above $19. So this guy is selling it for $19.99. He has 451 feedback. I'm going to copy him. Now you want to go to Google Sheets and open a brand new Google Sheet, eBay drop shippers, and you put him there. And as you gentlemen ask, how I know he's a drop shipper is because this exact item is on Amazon for $13.99 and he's selling it on eBay for considerably more. So as I scroll down, there's another person selling the same item for $21, and I systematically go down and save the sellers to my sellers is here. Makes sense, Justin, right? Am
Yep.
I missing you? Is there something you don't understand? Anyone basic should understand what I'm saying, correct?
I'm on page or two.
Okay, sweet. So you should go down. If I look at this one page and this one item, I should find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a considerable amount of sellers. I'm not going to build out the sellers is here. But what you're going to do, I would suggest if you're watching this video to get at least 100 sellers. Once you get the seller, you go to advanced search, you go down. So you want to move keywords. You want all the items that's sold. You want to go sellers, so you want only items that sold from specific sellers. And now you could copy this, go to eBay. No, it was this page, and hit search. And now what that is giving you is all his items that sold recently. And I would systematically list only the items that sold in the past week. So today is February 19th. This item that sold on February 18th, I would see if I could source that and sell the same thing. I copy this. I'm doing a little more than I expected. I just wanted to show you how to build the sellers list. But let's see if we find this item. So this item is selling for $18.97. He's selling it for $28.99, and that is the first seller I found. So let's see what the profit margin is. $28.99. And what's the cost of the item? $18.97. So there's a profit margin of $6 on that item. And I would definitely list that item. Using the free lister, I'll lower the price to $27.99 and list that item. So guys, hopefully I explained. If you watch this video, would you know how to build a sellers list? Do you have any questions?
No. Straight up,
Okay,
it's
sweet.
just
So guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. This is a beginner video, but these videos are for all of you guys that cannot afford any software. I'm really putting in the time to give you guys training and tools 100% for free. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out the description for all the free resources, and let me know in the comment section how I can help you. Have a good one, guys.